Hey, welcome back. It's me Alfred, and today I'm going to show you how to slow down low frame rate footage using the optical flow feature in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so I'm going to drag my footage into the timeline, and this is what it looks like without any optical flow, and the frame rate of this video I'm using is 25 fps. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the part of the video on which I want to add this effect. Next, open retime controls and change the speed of the clip to whatever you want. I've set mine to 25 and you can see that the video becomes choppy. So what you want to do now is go to the retime and scaling settings and change the retime process to optical flow and motion estimation to speed warp if you have a paid version, or enhance better if you use the free version. Now you won't be able to see the effect right away. To see the effect take place, you'll have to render in place or render it out. And this looks better than the previous version. If you want, you can slow down this footage even further if you want, so I'm just going to repeat the same process by changing the speed to 25%. Now as you can see, the video is slowed down and is still super smooth. This effect might not work on all types of footage. It will work on videos where there's not much fast motion or motion blur. How this works is it just tries to fill in frames by duplicating them, and is a somewhat tricky effect to play around with. And that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.